Welcome everybody. I'd like to talk about an experiment that examines how the speed of a rising bubble affects my ability to make precise, consistent, and reliable measurements of the rising bubble speed. And we're going to do precision as measured by standard deviation. So what bubble are we talking about? Well, this may or may not show up, but these three oils have different viscosities, and therefore their bubbles rise at different rates. We're going to find the speed of these rising bubbles 10 times. And then we're going to find the standard deviation. So the procedure is fairly simple. You mark a known distance. I've marked 30 centimeters in between the beginning of the starting line and the end, that is the near side of the finish line. And all you do is you flip the tube, start the stopwatch, and stop the stopwatch. So this rising blue bubble took 6.72 seconds to cover 30 centimeters. So all you do is 30 centimeters divided by 6.72 seconds, and that is about 4.5 centimeters per second. So again, you do that 10 times. You simply flip the tube, start, stop when it gets to the finish line for all three viscosities. You could find standard deviation the old-fashioned way, or you could simply use a spreadsheet. You're going to make a table with the three oil colors, all the duplicate measurements, and then the summation measurements, that is the overall average of the blue, green, and red bubbles, and then the standard deviation of all three sets. Then finally we draw a graph. How does the average speed of the bubble affect the standard deviation? Do you think fast bubbles will have a small standard deviation? Fast bubbles will have a high standard deviation? Do you think there will be no effect? We'll see. After performing this experiment, you're going to ask the usual questions, that is, what happened and why did this happen? So provide a summary of the results and then an explanation of the results. These are two sort of leading questions. What is the uncertainty in the time measurement? And what is the percentage uncertainty in the time measurement? So have fun, and I'll see you in the next experiment.